Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Look at this beautiful farmhouse ceiling fan from Sanli Fang. It is absolutely beautiful. I love having it in my bedroom. It comes with everything that you need. It comes with easy to read instructions, the hardware, and these absolutely beautiful light bulbs. The detail on this fan, I think, is what's my favorite thing about it. It looks like a piece of art in my bedroom. You can see the detail on the fan blades and the beautiful wire cage around the lights. And look how beautiful it is when you turn it on. It's also very silent. This isn't going to keep you awake at night. It has a nice little hum to it that's going to lull you to sleep, which is why we put it in our bedroom. It comes with an easy-to-use remote control that you can control basically everything on it. The fan works whether the lights are on or off, and you can set the speed that you want. You can get it to go forward and backward. You can turn it on and off from the comfort of your bed. The remote even comes with a bracket so that you can just hang it on your wall. The light bulbs were very easy to install, and then my husband started to install it into the ceiling. It was very easy. He had it up in a matter of moments, especially with the easy to read instructions and all of the hardware that you needed to install it. My husband and I were also impressed with the amount of breeze that you get from this little fan. It was very nice. It cooled us down, and we loved it at night. So if you're in the market for a new fan, you have found it. And that's my point of view.